frozen berries and some syrup, some date syrup. So this is going to be a mixed berry jam, people. So this is how we're gonna make it. Keep watching. Hey guys, this is Anne. I'm making a strawberry, blueberry and raspberry jam. So I've just removed these raspberries from the freezer, so they have thawed, so you can see some water or some of the juices. They have released some of the juices. Now I'm going to add a little date syrup, just a touch. So this is approximately 400 grams of the berries. Then I'll just add that. That's I think 2 to 3 tablespoons of date syrup. Most people put maple syrup, or actually I don't want it that sweet because the flavor is not so strong. So what you're going to do, my hands are clean, I've washed them, so I'm just going to smoosh. So a very nice color to it. So this is a raw vegan mixed berry jam. So this is how I'm going to do it. So after this, I'll just put it in a bowl and put it in the dehydrator to reduce to half the amount. I will show you as I put it. So we just smush them out. That's what I've done with it. So now put it here. Then I put in the dehydrator and let it reduce to half the amount, and then I'll show you what next I will do with it. Hey guys, now I've removed the jam from the dehydrator. I dehydrated it at 115 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, it has gone down quite a bit, almost halfway. It's even sticky on the sides. And if you'd like, you could put it in your oven, but you'd rather just do the cooked method of first boiling it and all that. But I wanted to do it the raw method. So what I'm going to do, I'll put it in the blender. I'm going to blend it. So I'll just put it all in there, and so it can blend nicely there. I blended it. I had to put a little water because my blender is a bit too big and the amount was a bit too small. So now all I'm going to do is going to sieve it and remove all the seeds in it, so it is nice and smooth. You're not eating chunks of seed, especially for the blueberries that are the huge seeds. And also you can see the color has also changed. It's a nice dark berry like look to it. So I'm just going to sieve it until it reduces down, and then because it will be a bit too watery, I'll put it back into the dehydrator for only 2 hours, and it will be nice and thick, and put it in a container. As you can see, it's a bit on the watery side. You make it more thick and jammy. So that's what I did. I forgot to take a picture after it had gone a bit down, but see how it looks. As you can see, it's nice and nice color. I love the color. Color is so nice. So yeah, I'm just removing as much as humanly possible, and yeah. So now I'll just take that because I saw it's runny, and put it back in the deck. As you can see, it's very runny. So I'm just going to take the same container and put it back in it in the glass container, and back to the dehydrator at the same temperature, so it still remains its raw jam. So you can see, just take it and put it in the container. This is my first attempt at making it, and I think it has come out a success. Oh, look at that. I love the color. It is so beautiful. So you can see I'm just transferring it, so you can put it in the glass so you don't warm plastic. So here I'm going to show you when one of my family members is taking it. Now you can try and see if it's going to spread. Haijanira spread. Kwa wakaka nini hata ya? Nini play? But then it is spreading. I'm not used to it. Yes, I'm aware, because it's the first time I've ever made a jam. Okay.